Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found a backpack that not only impresses me by its style, but also its durability and functionality. Now, I'm the kind of girl that would rather carry a backpack than a purse, so I have many backpacks, and this one from GOOTIUM is my favorite. I love it because of how functional it is. The zippers are smooth and I can open them with one hand. They are also very strong, so even if I pack this bag completely full, I don't have to worry about the zippers busting. I also love that the zipper goes clear across the top of the bag, so it opens up wide enough for me to fit all of my things in there and access them easily. I recently took a 5-day trip, and this backpack was able to hold my laptop, cell phone, my iPad, along with all of their cables and charging cords. A couple of changes of clothes, makeup, and accessories, and I still had room to spare. I love the way this backpack looks. It's got a rustic charm that matches many of my outfits. I got mine in army green, but the company offers several different colors for you to choose from. I just want to emphasize again the durability of this bag. Even through all of the abuse that I've put it through, it shows no signs of wear and tear. So if you're in the market for a new backpack for school, work, or just everyday life, then I think you're going to love this backpack with all of its charm from GOOTIUM. And that's my point of view.